the smallest planet. I am Venus. I am the fifth planet of Earth. I am only the second nearest planet to the Sun, but I am the hottest. This is because of the thick cloud of gases around me. I am Earth. I'm your only home. I am the third planet from the Sun. I am the only planet that can support life. I am Mars. I am a cold planet. I am a red planet. I am a fourth planet from the Sun. I am Jupiter. I am the Jupiter. I am fifth planet from the Sun. I am the largest planet. I am Saturn. I am planet from the Sun. The Sun, I am cold, the planet. I am Uranus. I am the seventh planet from the Sun. I am very cold. I am the twin planet of Neptune. I am Neptune. I am the eighth planet from the Sun. I am also very cold. I am the twin planet of Uranus. We are twin because we are but very cold. We also have almost the same pull of gravity.
Go.
I am the Sun. I am just one of the stars in the space, but I am your only star in the solar system. The other stars are very far. I am the big ball of hot gases. I am nearly times bigger than Earth. No one can come near me. You need my light and heat. I support life on Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Sun. We are the solar system.
Again.
Morning!